I just want to see what they look like. Yummy. Ooh, they're so sweet. I got an extra one. This one is so I could try it out. That's what I got. No, last time I think I got chicken breast. No, I think I got chicken tenders. I love the breading. They make spaghettis. They make burgers. They make chicken sandwich. Little hot. No, very hot. Kind of tastes like fish. I don't eat meat too often, so every now and again.